So I'll just read this.
Dahil yung...
Alright. So my name is Shaila.
Yan, lapit dito. Yan.
Okay. My name is Shaila May Laudi from batch 1997. I'm an alto actually. So I joined the chorale because, well, part of me wants to be part of something significant. So I think that's the most important reason. Being part of the chorale means being able to give back to my alma mater. Teacher Jessie is, actually I didn't know Teacher Jessie before this, but I think she is, part of me thinks she's very inspiring, and part of me thinks that sometimes she can be strict also. Okay, but most of all, I think I really like her as a person. Okay. Teacher Philip is, I think, even though he seems very young, he would actually be like a good father for the entire group. Teacher Stephanie is, I think she's one of the first persons I liked in the group. What do these songs mean to you? Power of the Dream? Well, initially, when I first heard that we were going to sing Power of the Dream, I thought it sounded familiar, so I looked for it online. And then I found out that it was, I think, for Olympics. And then when I heard Celine Dion sing it, I was kind of overwhelmed. But for me, the Power of the Dream is very, let's say, important for us to realize that dreams can indeed be powerful. It's a long and winding road. For me, it's nice that we're actually singing a Beatles song because my dad actually is a Beatles fan, and because of that, my sisters and I are actually Beatles fans as well. Favorite song is "You Needed Me" by Anne-Marie because I think it gives a good message. I think that somebody, in particular, I think of the person that the song is referring to as God actually. Okay, that can lift you up after falling, basically. So do you see what you guys watch the song? Okay, so I cried a tear, you wiped it dry. I was confused, you cleared my mind. Okay, anyway. Say your batch here. I'll just shout it. Okay. 97! Alright. Invite everyone to watch us. Okay, so I'm inviting everyone to watch us on January 25 and 26 at Resort School. Okay. Thank you.
Wow. Picture. Souvenir.
Portion.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Second shot.
This is my nice ones.
Would you like to wear para magbago lang yung image natin sa i-head cream mo. Head cream na tapos.
Yung actual glasses mo lang.
I-head cream mo.
Bago pa naman yung mga
Raise the gaze na yung okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Habang pag-ipan. Yan. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Second shot na. Kaya yung mga sample natin para nagkakaroon siya ng
Sino? This is my
may pakita ko sa kanya. So, 4 shot din yung okay. Yung first 3 natin yung pinakamalaki.
Yung pinakamalaki is the last
one. So,
actually,
you want to really okay lang.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, last one. I'll just... Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile.